RSYD no Vigi Studios when I saw Afahoka. Now you can RSYD no Vigi Studios Makacho says studios kakraka what a grand hair ebusia. We do any chinawa or picture a bear camera video will pay music video person which senior person which because I can for RSYD no Vigi Studios amount. Metro baby a wobble a bio mamin cow say endpoint homeopathic clinic the end to chronic diseases. Dr. Edward in the Navy. For God and country, no ebrewo, but in the live commentary, SOMPA 106.5 FM. But commentary now, medical, I hear the pre-commentary to the game. I hear the pre-commentary to the game. Pre-commentary in the year. One him say Ghana di can share about kwa I hear Panaman Timmy and Shebi. But make us say Dr. Dubuatin Point Homeopathic Clinic. Was it Yari Achi Wacha Bipacho? Was I Encono? And no now what the banner say ya, Wabba Modding no what in the time out. A Hifa and Oberhome Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Macam so much road Navy. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM. The 21st clinic, the sciatica originator. Yadia sciatica wohe a hydrogen pa. I be mutimika say, Sasabrona chemi, and just as a brona chewo, and yet Rubiano what yaso, Yadia chewodo, me pato, a dino a yes, sciatica, yadie, sciatica, yadie, sciatica, yadie, and kind of sciatica yadie, me pato. Sciatica yadieno, me pato, so to me can de via, I did 21st clinic. And your mamma in San Carol said, Tontina 74 Navy, almost so yes, and Makato say, a do, and no promise so be na me Bobby, and you must me sorry, Nama Bobby, and to the beyond that dano, and Mamma Hodenson of Kwame di Dimejuma, and to the Yanabe Rafa tossing me nunum, Fedican, Ghana Dicato at Anabaqua, Panama for Enyan Shaby, a fire tossing me no, yes, Shasiana sa, na Sabre, born ya passe, Salisu, Sabre, board the crown, what they call, be there. When to me Antoine, Menamo say, Panama for not bordo, Panama for the bony piano. Oh, go! Says, no, I hear 1-1. I hear 1-1. Yeah, gonna blast us in it. But me, hey, blast us in them in your money. Me, hey, black stars. Minjo Mundi, what's I guess enemy, Shebi? Baby, black stars. Above 4 pair to 5. This is me ye. Adriana Medino, it's against Ochina. Yes. Because when the ye am Adriana and Tana, I did see a combat though. Because me am a blasters, Minjo Mundi. No crapana me catch no. And to Ghana for Mudum Mure Asia blasters would the den when you're not motion ye. Don't say what more we take out SARFO she Jesse. Your friend is saying Patrick she Jesse. Your friend is saying Debbie Ghana and Antoine Semenyo was SOMPA. Oh nothing or she Jesse. Yeah, Miss because one we are gonna say me Bengana ni ba one job should be this. Me Bengana ni be one job should be this. Me pacho one trade year. So and for SOMPA 106.5 FM. That's on the lighter side. We are back over here on For God and Country. And there Ayeda Ukuo. 17th day in the month of June 2026. Ejabo Ejana Babidu. And there I can see Ghana versus Panama. Meaning say Panama, this is about the second time I want to qualify for the World Cup. Ghana ya ba. Now Panama for Asia kind for the qualifiers for the 2026 World Cup no. Enya dia team be team show mo. Panama almost lose so much. Now Ghana you lose so much. Now me bisa say you share a year a wiase ha e ba na football akansi a the first 40 teams e wo Ghana ha e wo wiase e fa na nyina no Ghana ye ka ho ana Panama ka ho the SARFO mamo sere Panama ka ho check sure o se Panama Echefo we dey me no kra na me kan because you share a team na and you frefre kobo when your team o na ori say nya me o ti wiase ro won pe boni o akwa eye Ghana for e di coach Ado oto Ado e di fast wo no enye kwan pa na ye coach oto Ado efiri ho a ye ko fa broni bae coach oto Ado says abri when your appointment e wo FIFA mebo yes FIFA for afre no se nyame tibi tua kadia me mfa nsoso se bi ke say obi tibe bi wo temu ni buafuafuafu me pa cho do kra na me ka kire wo me pa cho do kra na me ka kire wo no kra pa na me ka kire wo ai magana for social me fere o Patrick let say
Prof
bibi aboko de
na maji me jesi ni
waji jesi na o jesi de de eye gurimdie jesi
fita
eye fita ebinim akose yellow yellow no so ya akokọ srade no asekire sen what does it signify they be hwehwe gold
check Ghana colors no
ayo
red gold green
ayo what I say red gold green and then I go see na ye bomodin ye fita because angel bi ababa srabe angel bi ababa srabe was Ghana was say obia was say a replica jesse bi no bomodin ye fita say Ghana de she nyina ye be jatum na ye be she jesse ye fita dia ye nkunim die bande amanfa she yellow e afrafra
yellow
e be ye den na ye dim Holy Ghost fire. Something to say.
Professor Namiado.
Bibi aboko de.
O Namiado mo.
Wa ko say yellow yi.
O ebia na ne be she.
Wo say dey?
Ebia na ne be she. It's like it's ne be she.
Debi your home way.
Your home.
Yes. One copy.
Yes,
white. Debi your home no way.
Home say
World Cup no say
your boy home world Toronto.
Your boy home Toronto. Enti me be she white. Enti mo Debi your home jersey ni your white. And then the boy say yellow and tuntum. SOMPA Antoa Semenyo and what to say.
PROF
when you can say Sabre obi go pie. Was it there na PROF ye? SARFO na ene tamene ya kensi ni ye be bono.
Ya kensi ni duba akon Ghana time. Enwumre duba akon. Asata na madaw.
Sorry tenasi.
I was sorry tenasi.
Na Ghana na ebo ball no.
Debi o.
Internet tenasi.
Na me ball no me ni gidie wo mo. Me ka no kra kire mo.
Sa.
Ba me de me mpa bo beta Ghana chi. Ba me ni gidie.
Na mpa ba gidie ni mu de na no na me hefa.
And the one synchronize na foot from na fa kona na we. Sabora ene o say yeah lineup team lineup na ba.
The lineup in my baby for maybe a possible 11.
Sir, at possible 11. At possible 11 that win him.
But the menya by meeting the most.
There be me case for mam sis here. Possible 11 Salisu be piem.
Sure.
Jiku be piem.
Salisu omon kan team no.
Nyabotre. Omon kan team.
Salisu kan team no. Jiku so an kan team no.
Adintra.
Internet like so babo Caribbean chi ene
Nyabotre. Samanyo kan ho.
Bacho ane.
Jordan kan ho.
Bacho ane.
Kamaldin Suleiman kan ho.
Bacho ane.
Isa Hoku kan ho.
Bacho ane. Isa Hoku kan.
Omo nyina bebo.
It's like it's omunya bebo.
All right. Patrick. Now, say Nyabotre me ba onchen. Say afeni ye be sha say proper.
That's right.
Adentina wo dog Ghana team.
Oh, I am Black Stars team no in Black Star in particular.
Me say Adentina wo do team na wo US no.
Team na wo US.
Mami players be 5 wo betimi abo.
Oh.
Ajeta.
Jordan ka ho. Isaac ka ho. Friend Semenyo wo ho. Na Hwambo.
Hey, me hwa me de. What? you. Obia was one team no. Obia was one Ghana Blasters.
I mean, come and team for you now.
David, team what about 4? What about 3?
My about 3.
Me per 5.
And I could you just on can be?
Could do some gun.
Shaba.
And I was who got him no.
Oh, me a citizen of this country.
Then we a citizen of this country. And then Ghana watch a Black Stars. Just a way.
Where Ghana is represented, I'm representing.
I know you are represented, but and you know, product Ghana, Edikwakosia kind players no. Uni momo sa.
Say nye bi amabo for amount.
Yeah.
Enye
Mikai 2006 World Cup. Players in England did not minimum. 2010, yet to ban it me bubo mudi. Yaba a year 2014, yet me bubo. But ye bisa se enedie. Ye team no. Ukwa bontina ka se amount from Black Star players be ye 10 be ye ding. Be ye 5 be ye ding.
We saw people ka dem say apart from Benjamin Sar na Tizigi. The Roman City. Semenyo, you free mass, and more Macarino.
Only more.
Corno, Blasters, and
Patrick, I put it to you, say, your love for the Ghana Blasters is here kind. Our US, our Toronto, Canada, and Daniel. Oh, no team, sir.
Or don't dear, our form. Men Canada, or don't form.
I didn't,
but I'm representing Ghana.
They be or don't dear form.
Or don't dear form.
I didn't.
And some Dawson.
Sir.
And some Dawson. Say, Yamribia, Beckham Wassam.
Okay, me that's it. Mamiko, SOMPA 106.5. Ono watana see ene wajeni kiki kama washe Black Stars JC ba ushe JC na Black no dosun rumpa na maminko na mingbisa ne se ene akansie no se na ohun no obrempo se na ohun aye akansie no
Prof medase yenchetie fo nyina se na wadi kan amatie fo akwaba no na ene I see Ghana winning over Panama. Whether ebeye 1-0, ebeye 2-0, ebeye 9-10.
Ghana bedin kunim.
Definitely.
Against Panama. Panama, you know, sir, sama na womobo qualifiers. No?
Yes.
To this current World Cup. Womo in lusu match.
But after World Cup, no, I'm ball friendly matches. And Ghana ball friendly matches. My mom statistics.
Mama statistics kakra.
2026 yeah. Omo any Bolivia.
Omo ni country ben?
Bolivia.
Capital Bolivia.
Yes. Omo ball 1-1.
Omo ball 1-1.
Panama and Mexico. Mexico shared Panama 1-0.
Mexico unim say Mexico we nim.
The same 2026. On South Africa ball 1-1. The same 2026. On South Africa ball honor share South Africa 2-1. And now on Brazil. Brazil share 6-2.
Brazil dey be share.
That was May 31.
6-1.
Okay. And then Panama and Dominican Republic. And I share Dominican Republic 4-2. And I assign Bosnia and Herzegovina. Ball 1-1. Into share on also the friendly matches I think say out of friendly matches no emu mienu pen we win.
And our board draw saying.
Our board draw 1, 2, 3.
And we lose saying.
We lose 1, 2. Okay, we lose 2.
We lose 2.
Yes.
Ghana so so. Yen hwe Ghana. Safo Safo mfa him fa Ghana bia. Ghana what was anti football. So on do Ghana we Ghana. Safo yen hwe Ghana. Yeah, matches are your boy yeah, in terms of the qualifiers, you know. Ghana ye lose match ana.
Sure, Prof. Qualifiers, no. You lose 2 games.
You lose 2 games.
Yes, you lose 2 games.
Panama lose game.
There be. You lose 2 games. But the may qualifier near the points gap between the opponent and no there, you know. And he had 21 points and qualified the free. Your group, no.
All right.
At the advance of the coin. So your group, no. Either say 1 and I say 2. You lose 2 games.
Sure.
2 games in the lose here. And after saying now qualification, you know, you have a series of friendly matches. Just recent one, you are complete.
Echo saying.
Not even a single win, not even a single draw. Your friendly games are boy na Prof. Nina, you lose, loss. Until you compare Ghana and yene Panama chances are could be rank Panama ahead of
on paper.
Obi abe rank Panama ahead of yene based on recent matches yabo full qualification matches two teams na boy obi on the continent and then afterwards the qualification quite there to friendly games after say two teams now say two nations now qualify we no friendly games obi boy Panama take Panama there now for Ghana there the man on paper we say Panama be ahead of them Jaya winning game ya mo draw ye den yan lose and Panama win be or draw men or lose two so tell us on paper there and Panama ahead of here but
Nyabutre on paper
yes
Panama ahead of us
based on recent performance and recent records two teams in are showcase that
my said that call the investment platforms for AM Amanfo.
Okay.
Investment platform because Sporty.
Okay.
Now, me share odds now. One more Ghana na. I will form as against Panama.
Means Ghana is favorite.
Ghana is favorite.
And why?
Based on your recent performance and your recent records, a World Cup. Yako 206, Yako 210, Yako 2014, Yako 2022. Panama first World Cup was 2018, of which only 3 games of Boyna were winning back or Ulusu. But over Ghana, every recent performance of World Cup. 2022, you still lose 3 games in 2014, you draw back when you lose 2010, the group phase, you lose back you winning back and you draw back 206 group phase, you winning you lose back. And the so put two together per 2 nations on World Cup chance and that's on World Cup history. I know there make to make I say betting company I say betting sites in now a better rank Ghana ahead of Panama based on records World Cup.
The records on the Casana. But any current record.
No, say the current records in Canada and can be able to Panama ahead of Ghana. But you found also Ghana World Cup you say your history. And so welcome kaka not near that say your 210 you could do a quarter finals and sana 8 month film so about World Cup we can say history kaka so 8 month World Cup no and now network as a site ni na so no 8 month pick and the almost no based on records you there we going to for be 4 times and compo be just one and about the second time
on
so we ko so team for be 2 says
Panama yeah be na Panama e buy
2018. Yeah, Russia 2018.
Yeah. Now, Oba, you know, none modern bonnet and no more equipping boys, Anna.
Oh, group because one winning game. The game on Yana 4-3-0. So another 4, Obi 4, Obi 5, Obi 3. And theOnyana 4, sir, Obiasa, Wanana 4 was 3-0. So 3 games of one group, not even a point. And when you're on the group, and to obey happen boys when the group will be asked, and 2 first our record, no, Nekebek, and Fanos to Ghana and said, yeah, your first game, Portugal 2002, then I make a lesson where Yenya or last year, look about 2018, but 2018, bet 2020 opportunity, your first game was against Portugal, and Portugal said 3-2. Your second game, no blame say, oh, Ghana, Barra say, and Korea, this was 2-0. Last one, Uruguay, oh, Uruguay for the end, because they see 2-10 on Yaquatia, and the Bells, no Musa. And the 3 games answer about 2022, not even a point, and it's with my Piquet. And it's
2018 or
2022. And it's 4 or 2 nations, Obia last World Cup or Koya, Obia Nasa is just a single point. Oh, the group.
Wow. Ajita. Mamintie a year. Obrenpong, let's take a listen to you.
Prof.
Yes.
SARFO ma breakdowns no ne rundown ni nyina. But one thing it put Ghana ahead. That star of Africa na ye wono. It tells the world say oh so far as Ghana is part there. Ye betimi aye bibi. Ye koye nim kakra ye betimi aye bibi because of the performance he put with South Africa. And no na outweigh your performance even see your call after South Africa no your performance ya call World Cup no was enye but see your FIFA ranking baby a Ghana da ne baby Panama na friend we be ahwe
okay
this time we
well but my point got to do with Osha Ghana consistency you were in qualifying for aside 2018 yanko you started in 2006 you call 2010 2014 2018 yanko and then 2022 yako 2026 yako enti e hono ko put you on a spotlight enti obia obehia onim say Ghana that experience that expertise yeah the World Cup say be it qualifies be it World Cup not itself enti Ghana there or that expertise and you have a coach currently Carlos then Chaos will say Kairos and also has that World Cup experience or there I think 3 or 4 nations and World Cup enti it put the country Ghana ahead a little ahead over Panama Panama and shada nye country or South America hona on shada or competing with the likes of Brazil, Uruguay, Argentina, Chile mo omo nyina no omo crampe Panama
but the teams you are calling they are football nations giant nations.
Over Africa, Ghana also see herself as a football nation. That's
Ghana.
Oh, for the past
Debbie.
Oh,
Debbie.
Prof. Prof.
When was the last time I AG African Cup of Nations? When was the last time I AG Cup Kurua about Ghana?
That was 82.
But and do you think say no you can't football nations or Africa can't be you can't
Prof me know you dream but that's what and make say Ghana prides herself make say we pride ourselves Ghana prides herself as a football nation.
Ghana forced to say Ghana football nation
well okay Ghana forced to say o ma dwene mu no me football nation
but you football nation
well and me ba to mem and Prof.
Yes.
And Brazil.
Yes.
You name say ba football. Omo yard pa. Look at how Morocco ni omo twen. And
Debbie, when it comes to football,
yes,
on the African continent, Charlie Morocco.
Yes.
Morocco.
Yes.
Shie. Na bola wo mo bono. The African Brazil and
Morocco, Egypt, Algeria.
That what recent? What recent? SARFO. When was the last time Morocco G Cup?
The last time Morocco,
Morocco African Cup. Unkai say o Magic Cup nanse.
African Cup.
Nanse.
That was Senegal.
That be onye Senegal.
That was Senegal. So far say any farmer on there and now there.
Charlie, one.
One-time champion. Be a 4-time champion.
Let's put it on record. Me say ne. My chef pete takre.
Pete no ba na be ma.
Oba. Boba. Because if you look at the FIFA rankings, Panama also 34.
Yes.
Ghana you talk to 73.
Hey.
Prof, 2006.
Nyabotre. Yeah, the statistics ne kasa. Yeah, no, yam fire emotions in kasa. Yeah, the statistics ne kasa. Then na FIFA. I bet me jina ho rank Panama 34th place globally. Ahead of Ghana, 73rd position.
Based on recent performance.
Based on what?
Recent performance.
And on never ball and I said performance.
Oh, recent performance in a ball.
So what are you talking about? And Ghana bet me a Panama.
Maybe
some question based on the performance, based on the records. Ghana bet me a Panama.
Ghana best bit air draw.
Ghana best air
draw.
I feel now Kasa.
Let me Panagana. Prof.
Yay.
Share 2006.
Yes.
Ghana Eco World Cup for the first time. Na you share FIFA ranking a buy. Na Ghana, your group and your woman no. I think so now was it
red number 1, red number 2.
Exactly.
Italy.
Check Italy. No more your group. That was 2006. But Ghana performed very well against these teams.
They be squad now. Yeah, was that time no, and yeah, this squad, next squad no. So that time no, there was telepathy, there was understanding between the players.
Yeah,
And the players knew each other. The players knew almost as we now for
the man no ya agree on say yeah call that time.
And at that time no even though grana politics won grana.
No, the rest by Michael from Chelsea.
Yeah.
So Muntali from OG
big teams.
Apia Udinese.
Sure.
And your now Otuado from Dortmund. Ricardo and then Mighty Wamwa. These are the squad and they Wamwa. No more big team.
Sure.
Not forgetting
from Blackpool. What I say? But then Sanoko from Bayern Munich. What I say? But then every squad they put us here. Apart from Antoine Semenyo, Abeka say or both day in day out no. Maybe Abeka about fair to one be a Caribbean tea on so and then Commentary City guy Brandon Thomas on also quite a championship no. But who says I can work up near place in your top flight league. I know more board day in day out. No so what bench no or bo starting level with Jamal bo. But the place no or bench Obukwabo was third division. And Robo, Obibo first division, because champion, Ukwen Ghana, Thomas Bada Sanchez, yes, so say, championship number, you come and say division 1. We are twice when our Man City Robo, and come out this room at Atlanta, so can be more. Now, Fatah is about this about Leicester City, championship no more.
But Fatah is a Bola no body preview, and you be no bonus.
True.
So watching the games now. Ball I was born those times, you know, and yes, our games, ball no bonus is see. So what I say?
Complacency.
Etrimude. Now the absence of party, Mami Bisau, about affected a team now.
One way or the other, yes. A bit me affected him.
But me the particular one back cry every day.
Prof, need to say a bit to me. Ne say, Pate has that failed command in a way. Say ojinemwa or that command no ewo park ne so over say yenkita ball yenchiche ball or currently ni nyanhu out of this Black Star squad the kita almost see outside party mi nyanhu nia say original defenders nanim a coordinating midfield no e dey attack no
enu na waka sisi no because Antoine Semenyo ye can answer me one no boss standing na na me ball
Wings.
Or wings
there be but it's one a board and the amanas one she.
It's a ebia say obobo Yurenchi Caribbean and I say question
Charlie. One who say Black Stars we World Cup here wo mukui. Na e kamen kwanka was somebody the day you call.
Nanka experience
guiding.
Okay.
And now who a friend is saying a player waited to player where and no match
Lukaku.
3 days ago.
Lukaku.
Yeah, it's true.
You can't the day you are someone ne be move for Ghana.
Prof.
Me say.
Prof, my do back go on say. Who the last World Cup you koi. Then check his squad the koi. Yen goal post. They know that your goal post. Your left back, right back, your center pair, your midfield. Empono, your Toman stand Uruguay, Portugal, and then Korea. Yeah, before the World Cup, they said near yet mathematics in the year. Yes, Portugal, they are in a quack about draw. Uruguay, your best son, Korea, they we say, you don't matter on proper position. You need to also no must company say to man sebi Korea for no. And then they be the same thing and I say and me you go film say that time no ne wo kudus we team no ne wo saris we team no ne wo jiku ye team no you wo tale lamte o ye team no but then tale lamte air off jiku air off saris air off kudus air off.
Yeah, my mate here for correct score.
Hey.
Be a Ghana need but with it Munfanchemi. A 1-0 against Ghana. Correct score me their mama free. Ochina mama chama de
1-0. Professor 1-0.
1-0.
Yes.
Maybe correct score no.
Yes.
Na sabana na say.
0.5.
So yamra na share a year proposed lineup and na betimi aba. Eche for yebema mo abam bi o. Yebema mo abam bi. Yebe frɛ no. in the next 2 minutes. Yeah, my friend.
Prof Yanko.
And
then possible lineup maybe as a bibian coach Carlos Queiroz, Edebe Ginamono, Lawrence Atizigi, Marvin Senaya, Jonas Ajete,
debut.
Jonas Ajete,
Actino, goalkeeper, Ayawan,
Lawrence
Atizigi, and I want a ball 2,
Marvin Senaya,
and 3, Babaraman,
Jonas Gideon Mensa.
Babaraman mo.
Babamo. Possible lineup no
okay. Baba Raman, okay.
Na yabenya Jerome Poku and Jonas Ajete no compete a trio for about 4-3-1
4-5 no.
Yeah. A trio for na nimo no about Karim Yenchi. And Elisha Owusu. Na nimo akobo Enaki Williams. Jordan Ayu. Fatah Oshaku.
What about Jordan Ayu?
Fatah Oshaku. Now they Antoine Simon ejenim ho. Ghana possible
but lineup no so more de deal e more de mama advance sabade only goes na ka kire me no bro lineup more de pa
Prof
yes
obo 0.5 and if you can see him, the other moment is 0.5.
0.10. There be so over 0.5. Over 0.5.
But me call over 1.5.
Over 1.5.
Yes.
2 goals.
Yes.
For Ghana, and answer then.
Yes.
2-0.
2-0.
Okay.
2-0. And Prof, I believe sir. And then gonna is he?
Hello, good evening. Yeah, that's all right. ABC na. There are Masoka. Aye.
Okay. And the Ghana Besha 1.
Ghana Besha 1. Okay. 1-1.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So say, check. You better course, dear. But there's an interview we want to do. But SARFO would carry on this one.
Mam 20 ya kwa manaso na yene na na amankwa former House of Folk sound coach na yene na kwa twetwe nkomo na awie e wo dwane so Ghana yen chances e World Cup no it is against Panama coach one of the experienced coaches on more memo say na twetwe na mbato ate nka ye mo adwo e mo akwa bado ba SOMPA 106.5 FM kan so
nia metia otiafo ani wahefo nyina
nana ready ya bo opuma ya boko nyankopon ya adoma eje abo eja nya ba bedu Ghana ya boy first game ene against Panama ya buy kroma say coach na who experience enso 8 e wo mu ene against Panama who ya chances esan
yeah that's it bijiri say dey work no o hwe Ghana games ya bo ni Panama for games omo abo a yenye dwumadie no ene nhyehyɛ a wo mu de obia bɛka sɛ Ghana yɛ wɔ fam
okay
it is okay omo records no very different no
sure
yeah this in Kenya yen experience wise ye fa yen ye World Cup ya ko no eno motivate ye kakra aye new coach a wa ba nso so eno nso so ye nyina ye ogidie woni mu sɛ emre mo ogin a ye ne da so ye obotini ayi bibi amen da so aba
okay
and then we infura said obia Ghanaians obia ebon fire say kunimdie mra no psychologically ni no boa
okay
team no obia be kasa amod bebe but as a coach ni de reality o hwehwe na o dwene ho yie dia o be kasa Panama afọ no emra ye koyi mu die e be kasa o mo so e chen o hwe FIFA ranking kwa o mo sai wo so e chen enti say yo gidie na ye nim die ye kola na betima ye gidie ta o mo chi but on paper e be kasa Panama wo so
nana o ka on paper say be kasa Panama wo so ahead of Ghana and Ghana ni bia so expectations say Ghana e betima win enti Ghana coach Carlos Queiroz and the technical team no omonya because Ghana ni bia expectations say Ghana so betima win game no
Okay. Coach Shiba, the coach ball game, you know, what since we hear Abim, and I will share discipline at Air Force War come. Almost be hot and say the year watch and the almost near Omoyan HRS or Medinia San, the Bobreno, I'm a Yap for him. And only that's why you was saying. Nansunia, Bestati, and Bra, Yash, a pen, and a bit in the that's what reading the bit much.
Nana, Mamusa was saying, over 2 coaches are and Omoja touchline. Ediama, a man, me noir. Over face Christensen against Carlos Kiros. Say a banner.
Football, no. Obia, what is strategy or the approach any game,
okay.
And football, advance and then a year can come out a clip, yes, almost actually. You move players or Moya, yes, players or Moya.
Okay.
A game plan, and you game plan. Wow, player or a team of me, how many game plan I successful that day, and then I'm carry the day. Allah, individual brilliant. Your players that me review more and bring more game. Almost an performance or more, and needed the minimum, almost a team separately. And until say, only in the car park and it's not strategy will be airborne. A better work, your man. Baby, any Panama, a Janabia would do. Yes, young son, it's me. Said it, I can say, really, and then I believe.
Okay, and tell who said 2 coaches now and pay expense price and factor and also wait my account room.
Yes, and it account.
Oh, okay. Me head who Panama almost start my go on with team no ma me head who start man behind so bet obey a team you will be to say Jordan Aju Ewomon Antoine Semenyo Ali Dusedu and then Elisha Usu American say be on the team Oboka Kram and then Jonas Ajete on the team day in day out on also 8 mabo pe ohoye squad na o compare Panama squad nana o de kikamu 2 teams kambom and na onya so say pe the squad again ekuta no and you betima twa for Panama so
they can in terms of individual yeah and then they can want them say yeah was switching but that team now my watch any day or more no was switching there and it's a young individual players now who was strategy approach the day no e be boa wo no mo timi perform say the expect free wo mo chen ana almost betimi akọ no say the betimi am akata there be tamanyo de we wa popular chen come baby owo oboni game and the eno so come
okay
individual mentality say the obedi approach ni say the obedi year no
okay
on mine akata we dey wa down so ampa ni modern wa odi free wo ba no abedi mu dance am and then
okay
so
okay nana last question I mean down I go to Ojuma so enra mandatory press conference no 8 members so no and the head coach and they just say Ghana you be enjoy game no in tactical terms say coach ka say Ghana be enjoy game na as a chair saying
tactically as is no more yet training no when say players na respond to the strategy and the amani need as well amani crunch say they all three woman o matia here there's all matia say no more yet dia e be ma Ghana e di coach bia na need as well eye ne jumadi a o die say the o ma no mu di juma no o matia here dia ba na o mu di mu juma ba
okay
nimfa go ina akayina ne say Sakraye bi omo ko park ne so Sakraye bi timi mbem se e bi ade o che wo mo no omo ntimi anya na to wadi so
okay
so omo timi di se de o hwehwe ne dia ni gidie be tima ma ne kunim ye na o hwehwe no abebe enti o kaka odika
oh okay enti ne expectation na fi nya last weather what did we jai na fi nya.
Yeah, me as a coach in the almost start the game na ana me di nyam cross say ye me say ana Panama be say.
Okay.
And na me dey be a man for me omo interview me be ye sweet ba no. Ye di gidie any coach na wa ba no ye o pese o ye no. Ana e take say ye Ghanaian si dey pe kunimje. Especially on Panama dey. Obia betisel obesity but ultimately and no another ultimately Panama for instance change the way they could perform.
Okay.
Then just a ball legend. A big game.
Okay. And about that series for Brawanya and Swadamai.
Mr. Medasi, ne Akonya Mudi Amamina, so my Makasa.
Okay.
That motif for the Masho now, so as so motif.
Okay. And yeah, Nana Amankwa, former folk, medium, Bibian Ghost as some coach, and how to say and train and common. Yeah, Daniel Huabana Prof. As a barber to us, so now be I come, Professor Eba.
And Ghana Blasters ya ba na kai say SOMPA 106.5 FM na wuti for God and country. SARFO boy interview no kama on the former house of folk coach Dana Yao Amankwa and otis one ne kasaro. She say nkomo no watie. She say no Ghana ni a wo ye no. She say wo ye wo sen. Ye be di nkunimu anase ye ndi nkunimu. Me ba cho me dane me ho abasisi a na me dane me ho ba me kaio say ye be bie lines na tum number obefre no 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 65 ye frame Kobla ABOTCHIE aka PROF Mamenka say endpoint homeopathic clinic o maso asene meka mo hunsam e de akere wo RSY Dean of Video Studios so e boyem pa sanso na aye 2074 T74 dudro na e free also so na ya bo won kai say 21st clinic so asene e de wie ya tenase ya for God and country ya de bro live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM ye dan ho abasisi ya.
Hello, Papa. What about to be a new? Say me feel London, echo US.
No crowd who cry from me, Mamania.
Na Papa mo what to say.
I would to my habako.
Nana could just see. Echo Bassin Penemo. There were Tonga Densi Hunyamanonso. What's your dear?
Oh, what's your hoe? Equoba, Messi or Bodjuma Cross Canenwa. Now what do you US once a month for Bontisana?
Hey, Papa, US a Hakura dear. Nana could just see Company Limited at Jibebia. One more Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. A bad Densi Hunyamadia. Obia sin Nana could just see Company Limited. Namatisa will be a depoke Siebi, Ewakasua, and one will be a kutu Densi Hunyama. Na no Papa.
Oh, and Crapa. A police station in Chanhua.
Hey, a Kuaba sempre monono. Onya mereda.
She, where crown me and somewhere and will be in for Yao. Baku a Buakwasa Pasikumasi, and Bakuso Pocras and Cranha. Obia say, Nana Kodoja see a Bemaba, our dancing, what on cement, iron rods, banding wires, and I do a plywood and just said about dance. To say, BB, I just share a dance here, said the Kobe. Deponing answer, a to football, would go come more, what could you free? Akra we ka so depo ene pokrasi de no kra to nkyanya wasa obi akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City amanfrom wasa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kra da nkyanya ebi so magazine road head office no wa bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edweso Akra road femeso opposite Alaji Celia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and a Manfrum. Numbers of for the Frey 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 9393.
Nana could just see Company Limited.
Hey, a Kuabas in Primono.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Sakikwambo.
Onyankopɔn di fa wasra no ewiye brim enam ne nsa so ama Onyankopɔn we ya honwade pii.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some perfect service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ni asasi hia. Eye bro Onyankopɔn kasa kyerɛ ne mba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Emma some perfect service entwa wo ho hoda eya dwada kosi efiada anopa.
Anopa no nunkusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda no nyinaa share radens na erade beye.
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wedding akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e fe ne local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se ehya abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese aye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tena se no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 and answer 05947972215 05947972215 for not with them 21st clinic sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia ji se 21st clinic nkoa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 na se 21st clinic still wo mu ye sciatica expert. Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And your hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky dokono noa. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana sa de sepe.
3 Ghana sa de sepe.
No mo to dokono wo monten so. Eno no mo tu eton no. Say die. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokono serve wo ho a. Wo de free. Na ye customize the amount. Say the wusi penny bia. Protein na pese ye de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obienim say, just hot kinky, and noa, and ye serve ya wahu, just bakery, Ewodome, commercial bank in Chenwa, and to fraying, and was 02560688832. Now, young customize your orders in the mount, never serve what was said, was a pen pepe. Just hot kinky,
just hot kinky,
and hot.
And of course, just hot kinky, very, very hot with the time exactly 3 after 4. Sabri baby Alliance Natum Ghana against Panama. What ye a year? The discussion through what you make ne yababa modern yabeche data. Na no make asa me che data me denkrofobika na me me kodu fia na me frɛ na yasene obia eye 4 gig. That yeah, but you bet me after 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Yes.
Hello. Oh,
me but one minute can say.
Mama T, Mata Heko.
Mama T, Ghana. Okay, maybe so say Ghana. Ah, now they say records. Me records na me de kasa. Say you share records. Me dia. Me. Baby, empire bonnet dia. You the better chiro. But say GDN no na edin kakra because me share records na da records na da hona.
Prof you say Jordan. And then money bought selfish ball.
Jordan, man bought selfish ball.
Because on do 18 man not to me on practice space.
You yet what why?
I'm a sport leader, I know what I'm talking. I know you keep on moving, but let me my phone the detail do. And take the ball, the money rush, not taking ball.
You because I never talk. Mate, now Miss Winshaw so by Judy so. Hello, good afternoon. Yeah, me pacho wana me no kasi. Okay, hey. Now udi ni grad design. Ghana oba. All right, me that say. Now yes, and then I can see no boy in komo e be ko say.
Hey, bro.
Yes.
Le ni be dia Ghana for ti ko fata. Sabio ke ki dem no. I must go. Ye drove na ye said that I am I don't know. So
yeah.
Ye for friendly market at the end. Abra o parliament o parliament ya o de ye.
Yeah, they saw ya ho den hwe na ya corrections.
And you move on how the friendly market now mo boy asa mo ko na mo you need to do say.
Amfa. Na baby o na say Ghana ni bi anim say friendly matches e ko boy ni nyina amfa Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, me pacho wana me ne kase wadarma. Emmanuel Ekasafri Dowenya. Iman my yentie we.
Friends of Panama.
Friends of Panama. Ghana too. Yeah, Friends of Panama. That only GDA.
Mata. Every 12 o'clock 11, we will send me data. We will have a
hello, good afternoon.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Me pacho wana me ne kase.
Oh, AB.
And then, but no one is saying.
The previous
better data.
And I'm saying,
better data, by my 4 gig. Over credit or home. Okay, you better credit.
They say 3 0 and 1
okay, 0 or 1.
Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, Abuj.
Yeah, me pacho wani.
Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Ya dey.
Abuj. Uni bibi.
Minim ji so ka kire me, baba.
Mesro kibet fokobonu uni bi am friendly matches no boy.
Say about friendly matches. Say about 3 one.
And I'm not Quebec.
Yeah, me need that data now.
Aha. Oh. And some whole state.
Okay.
Yes. Patriotic matter. Among for just some politics against you can you a more no. The area one Quebec you whole state there matter. Then it's Ghana yet you whole Bama.
But team no many interest about man be bought 3.
Yes. Quebec is not whole state all matches state. No more draw, matter. And the no so matter no money.
Me that's it.
1 year to 1 England for the job.
And Ghana be saying Ghana be draw. Debbie, anti Panama bet me share saying. Sana okay. Me that's it. So bye. Hello. Hello. Yeah, me pass one minute ka say. What are you?
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me pass Odini baby o ka say free.
But your friend Kwame Samson, because you are someone to Google.
Okay, Kwame Samson, my NTA where I can see who is saying.
Okay. But I'm also a candidate. Maybe we will give pass Ghana, you Panama 2-1.
2-1.
Ghana, you wake up by Yakuna, I am saying your first match. Panama, we may a team a country, a young or more from Kaka. And a blank or Kaka, was say. Ghana 2022 no you wa match class here share South Korea
SOMPA FM. All right, yeah, but that's a pass over. Hello, good afternoon.
Hey, Abochi.
Yeah, me pass over na me say.
Abochi na ya kasa Kabura.
Oh, Naya now what to say? Good. Naya, I can see you know and who is saying.
Panama 2, Ghana 0. Ghana 1.
Adentra.
Ana Ghana watching.
Nasa Ghana you watching.
Player Bena de Cote Panama.
Antoine Semenyo, Jordan Ayew.
Jordan Ghana chef border.
Jordan Mbog match Emma Ghana Sheda.
Me who ni go dia wa chef. No dia Bobo Manua. Otimi send there 5 and 1
anti World Cup the year Minji ni say was yeah
we are money part and what I three man player
wow all right anti Panama 2 Ghana 0
Panama 2, Ghana 1.
Ghana 1. May I say? But what taking note? Hello. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Otiko Koso. That but Udi. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Almost Ghana 5. Adentra. Oh. Yo. Now, so who's betting companies now? Open you know rate Ghana high against Panama. Yeah. Who the amanyo sembo bem jawasem. Hello.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, Agavia.
We are Agavia. We are prefer. We can't for one and keep move forward. Oh, what you call Kazan Macasay. Agavia
Hey, Mudiamo. Now, Mono, Ayana phones do send a crama more frefre.
Yes, of people also do tobacco. I can't feel with that 3 and I'm in good.
Okay, Coedime, I can't say no one saying.
Oh, bro. From what do Kazandi, yeah, will be there. A Ghana first. A Ghana first. It is Ghana.
Now, but who shall records now? Records in enough if you have Panama.
Oh, is a Ghana no? The friendly match left boy. The idea is yeah. And come out on the baby one my. Oh, the boy match. The good performance in a draw. It's the end and me say Jordan Bechefu. Jordan Bechefu. The menu Bechefu.
Okay, and you know, 2-0 against Panama.
But the Say the match is the ball and say yeah, you really too heavy, you know.
Yeah. Me that's it. Hello, good evening, good afternoon.
Hello, Prof.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Me pass on one minute, Kasi.
Prof.
Okay, Antiakos. Me pass also Kasi friend. Agbogba. Antiakos. My NTW. What's that? Antiakos, and I can't see who is saying.
I can't see
okay. One. Okay. Ajakus with us. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Prof.
Hey, Akafia.
Yes, sir.
Net to say. Okay, Akafia, go in.
Never. Now, all the credit the first one and one mammy deal.
Debbie, I know they say when Dim Kunim, what when Dim Kunim. And then, your person predator scores on the scores, and a more credit.
Okay. Prof.
Yes.
Also, now what can you say? Also, the FIBA Panama.
Yeah.
How did it be the FIBA?
Records in FIFA says who can share a FIFA ranking Ghana FIFA rating I think 72 or 73 and Panama so FIFA rating almost 34th position. I'm winning part chain.
Now check Ghana now check the second the whole way and I will
me type
now we only analysis now. For air support.
There be any nunkwa. You share Panama. One more air qualifiers are one more boy in no. Panama team behind me and yeding answer.
Okay. Now you want me to say Panama no. No baby or say a pro West Indies. Ghana will group them up. Panama go to be qualified. Maybe or Jamaica no money. Trinidad to buy Golomania the Adeno. Say all Africa go to be qualified. And did you only say maybe you are receiving say Ghana everything could be.
Sir, now scores no so by saying.
Me dem see everything could now scores about the many credit zone.
David, and this is all predicted right.
There. Okay. Over the moment I'm a very free. I'll cut the main car.
Yet you. They be predicted goals, no 2 and 3. 1-0. Me that's Akafia. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, me pato one abene Kasi.
Kweku mekasasi Havana.
Kweku uso kasa free. Havana. Okay, Kweku ye da sema kwaba. I can't see no hu ne sen.
So many. But maybe we hope they can be one. Ghana be one. Yeah, that's the beginning of program work and Ghana GFA and the second Otado, and I'm very, very, very supportive with you. Now so young Yadia in that distance, no cry, and never behind the
Medase pass by. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, Prof.
Good afternoon, Patawana Menekase.
Well, it's not what I do to my mayor.
Okay, do to my mayor. Tell my boy here.
The Diablo is so that
Kafra. The Patoma in Tiway.
I said my boy, I'm saying. Sana, this afternoon we are preparing our team to go and score Panama. But that's a big mistake. And Panama scores South Africa first 3 and
Oh,
we should be very, very careful.
What's what Casamo?
Not Panama saying, there's South Africa to go by it's a summer let's take our time to go to Almighty.
Okay. But this is South Africa for so supporting empower. Almost supporting empower South Africa.
Almost the Bolivia, almost support. Come on, fight. Thank you.
Okay. And the scoreline, the saying.
I don't know at the moment. I'm just trying to consider win. That's all.
Now, Ghana bet me I shall 1 and 2.
Prof, nobody knows tomorrow. When we win, it's our star. We will lose, it's our star.
Okay. Okay. But that's it. Erade. Aka ayebe 5 minutes. Na yes, sorry, Jumedi no so na ye de kasiebo e de abremo. Ye de kasiere bremo wia from 5 o'clock no. Ye be mamo live commentary. E was SOMPA 106.5 FM. But my menke o say 2074 so ya sene ye dudu mu dudu ye kase pa. So opo so obon ho ban fi yade ho a ye 2074 na obetime twede ti T74 eno ene be boa wo ekutia yade bebre obetime de abon ho ban efi yade bebre ho say ye muja broso say ye sisire yade na ha we kro bi aton ho ekro no enwuda wahra na obrabo mu be ma junso yi na wo so obi oho okase nipa ho a na nipa no atwi ne ti akonechi me pa cho bomoden na kopeti I beg your pardon 74 T74 ene be ka wa asama enti bomoden na kopeti 74 we we ni chere drugstore pharmacy shop bia ubenye bi na kai say we person Fred doctor 024 6073-498. Again, read them on 050-1628-931. What do we need to drugstore pharmacy shop here? Obenya T74. Ebio Mikao say RSYD no Vigi Studios. As you know, almost we are seeing Kesipa. Makacho say a studios a suye. Obetime twa sini wo ho. Or more professional backdrops. Or more creative director wo ho. Adebia opasa uye. Efes ni twa ho bia no de. Bomodi nafa kodan RSYD no Vigi Studios. Wamacha kwan ewo Accra, Malam, Abase ewo First Kokro Street no so. Na opese oni din komwa. 057-4715-778. Again, read them on 030-3974-822. If you really want to create something extraordinary, remember RSYD no Vigi Studios. When you pay video coverage and pictures are bombarding nafa when RSYD no Vigi Studios. Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic maybe one boy chidom kese pa Dr. Duboaten hey wo ye bruta just say yade de suru Dr. Duboaten yare aba so a chair uji wanje me pacho bombarding nafa kodan Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. When mo bia wenya stroke wa campem jinso yi ya wono so ana say oni obadin shemu pre na cha say waba bombarding nafa when chire Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic say emfantu wenim say obi yare wa campem say nipa no ontimi nante ontimi nyahwe a o se friend number we sisia 0244 867068 0244-867068. Again, you can read them on 027-423-4321. Na ohwehwe necha kwan ewo nkran ha. Necha kwan ewo spin test ekwan no so. Udu spin test kwan so bebia bisa bebia shell signboard ewo no. Eho ena obo Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. O kuma se a bomodin na fa we ni kire kronom abo hia. Bomodin ebio na spray Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Doctor, it was 0244-867068 02742-34321. Sasana Nevi. Yawo a year 21st clinic. Boy Juma ye pa yare sciatica. Say aso sisim. Na untimi tenase usisi ya uya. Epie eye wechikasem. Everyone na be pie eye utumponum. Na fa osire mu sire ni de. Emu be ya uyasa. Wo ka se wotwe adruboni bi so. Ana se empono eye friend is saying ahututu na etuegu so a me pato 21st clinic say sa yade no enye ahututu sa yade no enye duboni bia na wakotia so yade no edin de sciatica 21st clinic nkuto na abomodin aye nhwehwemu ehu ya de eduko a wo de kan sciatica na ebe kokra ebi mbebio so wo hwe 21st clinic echi akwan Accra wo mo Tantral Hill runabout yechi haya tema Roman asondan echi ho eho enobehu wo so wo hwe mo kaso a wo mo New Market obom kwan no so kuma se obehu wo mo ehwan overseas baby asompa FM wo no so wo sunyane a wo ne regional hospital first gate ni dey nhwe anim wo Tachiman baby na GN Bank e wo no dadan no edan no eho enom wo nkransa wo mo ben children's park so wo takwa obehu 21st clinic e wo locust baby asompa FM wo na takra de wo mo afie kuma number 9 Texas station na 21st clinic esa wo Brekum Goso and Obuase bomoding na 21st clinic it was 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 ebushafo ehana emre emakwan ma yede dwumadie no esi yes sorry so die na yede eye kase bo ebremo enu achi no yede live commentary ebebremo live here on SOMPA 106.5 me did pisa Portugal match na 5 for pa omone wan omone DR Congo e na be si akan he ba Messi is super Messi abo hat-trick Ebushafo e from Kobla bo chi de si haya nyame adoma o chena chia yen ni nkomo ever match no ho ye frame me ABOTCHIE bio obetimi aframe me prof o frame me prof a ska na me de becho maka makra mu nyina